Hello students. In my previous video I taught you simple future. Hope you understood well and practiced also. Today I will move forward with the next kind of future tense, that is future continuous tense. So what is it? It describes an action that will be going on for some time in future. Students, means it describes an action that will be continued in future for some time. Formation of this tenses: for positive sentences, subject plus shall be, will be plus ing form of the verb present participle, that is present participle, then other words. So example here: we shall be waiting for you. Students, as I taught you in my previous video lesson, that I or we use shall, or with the rest of the subjects we use will. So here you have to add be with shall or will, then ing in the main verb. So here this is the formation of the future continuous tense. We shall be waiting for you. He will be going to Delhi tomorrow. I shall be studying by this time. So you have to use ing form of the verb with we using shall or will. Just pay attention. It shows the continuity of work in future time. Next, interrogative. So formation of interrogative sentences of future continuous: will, shall plus subject plus be plus present participle, then other words. So first of all, shall according to the subject, shall, then subject we, then be, then ing form, ing form of the verb, then other words. Shall we waiting, shall we waiting for you. Here, will he be going? So first of all shall or will, then subject, then be, then ing in the main verb, then other words. Just pay attention. Next, interrogative. Here you have to use question mark at the end of the sentence. Interrogative: will, shall, then subject, then not be together, then present participle, then other words. So present participle means ing form of the verb. When we add ing in the main verb, that is called present participle. Here it is: shall according to the subject, then not be together, then ing in the main verb, then other words. Shall we not be waiting for you? Question mark. Will he be not be going to Delhi tomorrow? Question mark. Shall I not be studying for this time? Question mark. Students, just pay attention to the formation of the sentence. You can write it in your copy and you can practice many other sentences like this to make you perfect in tenses. So negative formation of this sentence is: this tense is subject plus shall not plus will not plus present participle, then other words. So we shall, after shall or will you have to use not be, then ing in the main verb, then other words. We shall not be waiting for you. He will not be going to Delhi tomorrow. I shall not be studying by this time. So this is the formation: shall not, will not, be. Here be. Be. So don't forget to be. So it is, I think it is clear to you. Students, practice more and more and listen the video. If you didn't understand, you just pay attention to the rules of video lessons and practice more and more. Students, it is very important for you. Grammar is the name of practice only. The more you will practice, the more you will gain.